Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I missed you. I was doing some things to take care of Paulette. You know, you got to do that. Take care of yourself, because if you don't, no one will. We are going to do some shrimp tacos, real quick, real easy. You may know how to do it already, but you may not know how to do it the low carb way. I've been on low carb off and on for probably 6 years, I'd say. And it works, but I love carbs, so it's very, very difficult for me to stay on it consistently. However, I found a group of people on YouTube that have really upped the way that you can prepare your food and how it tastes. It's experimentation. Some things I like, some things I do not like. I feel more energetic. I feel I fit better in my clothes. I'm not as bloated as I was starting to get a real bloat there, and I don't like that. The holidays coming up, you know, there are ways that we can change our recipes around and have them low carb and healthier, a lot of the less of that stuff, and then you won't have to worry about trying to make that resolution to lose all that extra weight that you're putting on. You're just like, you know. Anyway, okay.